call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Raise the mountain, fix upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. Here I raise my Ebenezer, hither by thy help I go, and I hope by thy good pleasure save me to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God. He to rescue me from danger interposed his precious blood. Oh, to grace how great a debtor daily I constrain to be. Let thy grace, Lord, like a fetter, bind my wandering heart to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it, prone to